afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the Ballentine family. Today is Monday. Happy Monday, everyone. And andito tayo sa Vista Mall. So, I'm waiting for Charles. Kasi si Charles nagpunta doon sa Yellow Cab. And finally, guys, nag-open na yung Yellow Cab. Finally. And then, from here, pupunta tayo na sila Jeline and Stanley. Dadalhin natin yung Yellow Cab, kakain tayo doon, mag-snacks tayo. And then, babalik tayo dito sa Vista Mall. Because I'm going to get a organizer. Yung organizer for the ref, like egg organizer or some organizer. Let's see what I can check in there. Sa Olong tayo bibili. And then, later we're going to cook siomai. So, sana magustuhan nyo ang aming siomai. So, dito tayo sa parking area. And pakita ko lang sa inyo, ha. Ang tagal ni Charles, guys. I think a lot of people is waiting for the pizza. Imagine, guys, for 1 year something, they're closed and now they're finally back. Ay, nako. Nakakamiss yung Yellow Cab pizza. But, grabe si Charles, ang tagal. I have the rice cooker here. Hello, Puga and Pugi! Tuloy sa kanyang tahanan. Kasi alam ko naman na hindi mo nabasa yun eh. Here's the Yellow Cab pizza, guys. So we're gonna have snacks. Pepperoni and Italian sausage. Oh, it's a thin one, Daddy.
All the names and
It's a thin pizza, no? Thin pizza, guys. We're back in Vista Mall, guys. So we're gonna go there and all home. We're gonna pick up some organizer. Daddy, can you check there's a scratch in here? Look at that in the front, on the top.
What?
Check the other one. So, yan yung mga organizer para sa sa ref.
Oh, it's worse than the other one.
Maybe we could get a discount on this one. No? What do you think? Just get one only, eh? What's this? This is good for
Only want one?
Yeah, I think so.
But
Ito malaki, guys. Ang ganda nito.
an egg, and you always buy it
Maganda
flat.
to sa sa meat, no, Daddy? Not direct to the What's the one on the top? Can you check it, love?
It's just a tray with a lid on it.
That one is for
Wine.
Ganda, oh. Ang daming mga tupperware. Oh, nice this one too. It's 300. How much is that, love? 319.
319.
Ang ganda ng mga display nila. Like that one too. Ganda, oh. Okay, guys, we're home. And I'll just show you the organizer that we got. Egg organizer. Look. So, ayan guys, ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. Hindi siya na masyadong natanggal, tsaka ko nalang tanggalan yan. I will fix this one later. Yan yung itsura niya, dalawa. Pero walang laman kasi dito meron tayo. Alright, so we're gonna start. And actually, we already have the mixture here, guys. Ginawa ko na siya. I just wanna let you know what are the ingredients that I put on our siomai. So, our siomai, the mixtures are... We have the cabbage. It's a different from other siomai, guys. Some siomais, they put turnip and also kinchay. But mine, I got carrots and also the onion leeks or onion leaves, onion, garlic. Tapos, ginagrind ko siya dito, guys. Ito yung Tupperware ko na grinder for all the spices. Ayan. And I use this one for peeler for the carrots. Ayan. So, I already put magic syrup and onions. I mean, no, not onions. Salt and pepper. And then, this is ready for wrapping. Ito na yung wrapper natin na binili ko sa palengke. So, ayan. Maya mag-start na tayo, guys. And I will let you know what it looks like and what it tastes. If you want more green, you can add kinchay. So, yung green na nakikita nyo dyan, that is the cabbage and also the onion leeks. Okay? Pag yung nakikita mo dyan. So, okay na yung timpla niya, guys. If you want a little darker, you can just add a little
of soy sauce. Kung if you want darker. But for me, this is okay. I forgot pala to mention guys the flour and egg. I also add flour and egg to make our ingredients thicker. So ito lahat guys, 52 lahat kasama yung nasa nakasalang. So siguro lulutuin na namin ito kasi kakain daw si Charlie. So baka magkulang. Marami sana to kung ano guys, maliliit lang pero kaso lang malalaki yung ginawa ko. Yan oh. Kita nyo naman. Open siya. So this is the look after 10 minutes guys. So let's wait for another 10 minutes. Alright guys, so the first batch is done and cooked. So we're going to try this. So as you can see, there's an opening, meron ding close. So yung iba open, meron close. Sa kanina pinapakita ko sa inyo. Again, you can add more flour if you want. So it will make more yung masistick talaga yung meat. Ito kasi marami siyang meat eh. So hindi siya masyadong nagsistick dahil kunti lang yung flour na nilagay ko. Yan, tikman na natin guys. Yung second batch nakasalang na. Sarap, siomai na siomai. For me, siomai na siomai yung kanyang lasa. Ang kulang dito, kunting flour lang talaga. So, ayan na ang ating siomai guys. Kinainan na nila. And then, I have to wait the second batch kasi I'm going to make a french fries as well. I-prepare ko dito. Or I can pair it with rice kasi si Cherry nag-cook ng rice. And then, yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoy. But if you wanna make it more thicker or sticker, you add more flour. Ayan, yun lang yung suggestion ko. Kasi sa akin, more on meat. Kaya hindi siya masyadong nagsistick. Alright, so again, I hope you enjoy and like this vlog guys, and don't forget to share and like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everybody!